Hey guys, I am Sid and today I am going to drive this Renault Kiger. So let's see how it drives on. First of all, I will drive it on highway, then I will jump into the city. So it's a normal petrol version, not the turbo one, and it's an AMD. It gets the 5-speed AMD. Now driving on the highways is not what we can say. It's not so bad. It's not so good. It's an average. If you want to buy a car or the SUV, which is at the price range of the Tata Altroz, or you can say the premium hatchback, then this would be a better choice. And if you want, if you are more a hardcore car enthusiast and you want to go just way far or the more fastest way, then the turbo petrol makes more sense for you rather than buying a normal petrol. The normal petrol car is for the person who just want to drive this car in the city, who just loves the city driving and avoids highway driving. It's also a city friendly car. Even though it's a SUV, when you're driving it, the driving position is quite upright and it won't let you feel that you're driving such a big car. It's such a grounded and it's very easy to make the cuts over the traffic, and as well as it looks very cool. As compared to the Magnet, some people may like the Magnet, some people may like the Kiger. Now the underpinnings are just the same. It only differs on the looks and the services. Now I am driving in a very rainy day. Then also it's offering a good amount of road touch. It's not like that. It is just going gliding here and there. It goes smoothly. Its braking is also good. And as I am driving the AMT, now AMT are for the persons who want to just cruise all along the way, don't want to just have the hard shift. If you want better shift, then manual would make more sense as compared to the AMT. And for the turbo, now what to tell about the turbo? The turbo manual will give such a good experience that you will feel each and everything when you're driving the car. When you just push hard, it goes like no way for the manual, and you will really feel the thrust, the thrill that the turbo offers. Mainly when you switch the car in the sports mode. Now I am gonna switch it in the sports mode and let's see does it differ in performance or not. But for the naturally one aspirated petrol engine is not that thrill. It's only for the people. Just I will make it in simple way. If your father or if your any older person wants to buy a handsome looking SUV under the 10 lakh rupees, the 1 liter turbo petrol, only 1 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine makes more sense rather than going for turbo petrol. And if you are a youngster and you're buying a SUV, on a buy SUV which has a good amount of road presence, have a good amount of space, with a good amount of luggage space as well. Not only the person cabin space, and also which offers a good performance when you're driving through the highways as well as through the traffic. If you want a car and also that for maneuvering here in the traffic, city traffic or in the hard roads, then the turbo petrol makes more sense. And for the more enthusiasts, the turbo petrol manual is just for you. But when you're driving a turbo petrol, don't think about the mileage, because the turbo petrol will give you more performance. But if you want a more mileage, natural aspirated 1 liter petrol is there for you. You can have it, you can enjoy the ride. Now for the ergonomics, it's not that much tricky to just approach towards the touchscreen system or the center console. And also the instrument cluster is not critical to get used to it. It's very easy, simple to use and good. But only the thing that everyone should be concerned about, that the 1 liter natural aspirated would be able to would be able to tow or would be able to take the person's car to the mountain roads when it's fully loaded. So basically this car, now this 1 liter turbo petrol may be a good thing, because this is the same engine that you get in a Triber, but the Triber is a 7-seater SUV and this is a 5-seater SUV. So if you see that the power to the weight ratio would matter a lot when you are getting this 1 liter turbo petrol. Now 1 liter natural aspirated petrol. Now natural aspirated is good, not the best and not the the worst. It's a very better option to go with, to live with, if you are a mileage, or else the turbo petrol is there for you. And also you can switch for the eco mode when you are just cruising around the highways at about 60 kmph or 70 kmph. Now as I was driving in highway, I have just entered the Kolhapur city, and let's see how it performs in the bumper to bumper traffic, because I have not yet driven. But then also I'm pretty sure that this car will not make you upset. Oh yeah. So as I am stuck in the traffic, I don't know, I don't have any idea what's going on. The initial start of this car is good when you put your foot down. It goes very well for the AMT, but the manual goes more faster as compared to the AMT, because AMT is a little bit sluggish, but it's okay for the city driving, it's okay for the cruising. Now I am in the city, driving good, car is doing well, nothing more complaint about it. And the most important thing that I love about this car is its steering. It's such a light seat, you can do it with one hand as well. That's the good thing. And also you can, as you can see, it is under 4 meter SUV, so turning radius of this car won't be a more issue, not for this car but also for the Nexon and Vitara, Brezza, etc, which are present in this market. I just want to show you the outside environment with this, and an unconditional rain when you're driving, and when you're driving in the rain with now at this environment. This environment makes you feel to drive more cruising around the town rather being more robust, because this is the environment where you like to cruise through the outskirts of the cities on the special on the certain speed limit. That's the good thing. There's Innova beside me. Let's have some rest. Which car picks first? Seconds. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. Driving up the motor. Here we go. This little amount of the sluggishness, as I have told before, because this is a naturally aspirated engine. See, the Innova is way back. Just kidding, because we know Innova has about 2.4 liter cc engine. It's in city, so and first, don't drive more fast in a robust way in the city, because you will meet one accident, and that's not a good thing. If you really want to drive the fast, just find the empty roads and just put your foot down, go the way you want, but in a controlled manner. And for this, I wish I would have a turbo engine. That would have made a good thing. Now this was all about the Renault Kiger. This was all about the Renault Kiger that it offers for us. How is it in drive in city? This is how it drives in city on highways. Now the real verdict, the verdict of this car is, if you really want a car which is very more city friendly, and you just want to go on highways on weekends or once in a month, then don't buy the turbo petrol. Just go with the normal natural aspirated petrol. You will be more happy, and your family also will be more happy. But if you are just like me, who want a more hardcore enthusiast, who just want a car when you just put the foot on, it must leave the other cars back, then turbo petrol makes more sense. But don't expect a good mileage in turbo petrol, because it's only for performance. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, before enjoying, I will mention the owner review of this car at the top right hand corner of the screen. Just go watch it, see whether it would be helpful for you. Not for the Kiger, also for the driver. We have made the video of it, but it's in Marathi. I will make sure that you will able to know in English by turning on the captions. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video for the person who just want to buy this car and who want a car which will help to, which will make the ambling around the town very good. So I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to press the bell notification so that you won't miss a single upload made by me. Till then, ride safe, drive safe. Till then, ride safe, drive safe. Take care. See you soon. I'll see you in the next video.